This video is a tutorial about the Leica ScanStation P50 long-range terrestrial laser scanner. It explains the settings in the user interface and how to best use the Leica ScanStation P50 for a long-range scanning project. Let's have a look at a scenario where long-range scanning is a real advantage. The Olympic Park in the city of Munich, Germany, is a local recreation area of 85 hectares or 210 acres, consisting of a public park with hills and lakes. It also hosts the 291-metre tall Olympic Tower. Scanning the area from a hill position with a scanner of a typical maximum range of 300 metres creates a nice 3D point cloud of the surroundings. But the opposite lakeside and the tower are not detected. Thus, an additional scan would be required, which means finding a new scanner position and performing additional scanning. With the long-range mode of the ScanStation P50, the opposite lakeside, the complete tower with its antenna at a distance of 500 metres, and even the building in the background at a distance of 900 metres are captured within one scan from a single position. The longer range allows measuring of unreachable sites from a remote and safe position. This means less field time due to a reduced number of setups, higher flexibility for finding a suitable scanner position, and more object details per scanner position. The long-range mode of the ScanStation P50 can be used for full 360-degree overview scans as well as for detailed scans of selected areas. First of all, let's see how it works for overview scans. In the Scan Parameter screen, the EDM tab consists of the control settings for the range mode. 4 options are provided starting from 120 metres to 270 metres, as known from the ScanStation P40, and 2 new long-range modes of the ScanStation P50, a long-range mode for up to 570 metres, and finally a mode for more than 1 kilometre range. The selected scan mode is indicated by the status icon in the status bar, and its corresponding scan rate is displayed. Let's go for a full 360 degrees by 290 degrees overview scan with a resolution of 6.3 mm at 10 metres. For these settings, the resulting number of points and the estimated scan time is given. Directly after the start of the scan, the progress is shown in the scan preview screen with the increasing point cloud. Once finished, the whole 360-degree point cloud is displayed in the scan viewer with various buttons waiting for further actions. Long-range detailed scans are a good means to save time by just scanning user-defined areas. When we zoom into the point cloud, the Olympic Tower and the building in the background get more and more visible. These are at a distance of 500 metres and 900 metres from the scanner position. If the point cloud resolution on these objects is not dense enough, then a higher resolution can be selected for an object's detail scan without the need for a complete rescan of the whole scene. Let's double the resolution to 3.1 mm at 10 metres and select a maximum range of 570 metres. And then fence the complete Olympic Tower. For the other building, we select the longest range mode and also a 3.1 mm resolution. Again, we fence the area of interest, and now 2 independent detail scans can be started. This saves a lot of time as only the 2 selected areas are rescanned with a higher point density, but not the entire scene. Additional objects for long-range scanning can also be selected from the live video screen. Just open the camera screen and define the range and resolution parameters of the next detail scan. After pressing the lock icon, use the live video screen to define the horizontal extent of the detail scan. Simply rotate the scanner to the left border of the scene and lock it. Do the same for the right border and then start the scan as defined. Again, only the selected area is captured with a reduced scan time compared to a full dome scan. This video showed the benefits of long-range scanning with the ScanStation P50 and how to create long-range scans for 360-degree panoramic scans as well as for user-defined areas of interest. Thanks for watching.